What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can generate smart money from the Fiverr, just providing a service, blog articles to video. So as you can see that this guy already providing a service and $5 in queue, which is that I will convert blog articles to video. He has the three option: basic, standard and premium. So if I can average the service, which is the $40, and he has already 61 reviews. So let's see, 40 already he earned the 2000 plus money from this. And this guy already, we can check this here, the standard, basic 10, standard 35 and premium 70. So we can calculate with the 35, and he has the 200 plus reviews. 35 already he made the 7,000 plus US dollar from this service. Just easy. You can see in this video I just show you how you can create this kind of service, this kind of video. This is just simple. So for the reason, first of all, we just need some option. The service you can provide, which is the blog to video, text to video. Your customer will be the blog owner and website owner, because the customer and website owners need so much traffic. So if they can make video from their article, and they can post it in their YouTube channel, and they will get the huge traffic, free traffic from the YouTubes. The niche, it can be the health, fitness and others. And basically the resolution will be the 1920 by 1080 for the YouTube, and the 1080 by 1080 for the Facebook purposes. So that's all. So now I'm going to this website, which is the canva.com. It's a free and premium option. It has a free and premium option. You can choose one. So by this website you can make the video from article to videos. So now I'm going to click that video option. Here the resolution, the 1920 by 1080 for the YouTube. So click it here. And I already generated some the info like 5 healthy food for brain development. So this is my script, and I will going to make video from this script. I just show you the some step by step. You can understand everything. So just copy this, and you can go to the YouTube, and you will find how look it is. So you can see that there are huge views. This kind of video got a huge views, so you just offer them. This video already 2.3 millions, 6.3 millions, 2 years. So I think that this kind of video will get a lots of attention, and basically this will be the informative video, and people get some info from this video and they like it. So first of all, I'm going to the Canva, and I'll check it here. And then here you will find the so many options, the preset, previous built preset, also the text, app, photos and videos. So I just go to here and select this. This is for headline, and also the info. This is for the headline. Okay, and the headline is the 5 healthy food for the brain development. Go to the text option, put it here, top 5 healthy food. Okay, you can make it a little smaller. Okay, and now you can change the color also from here, like just like this. This is our text. You can change the color from there. And now we are going to put it here some the video, like, so click the video option, and here you will find the lots of videos, free and premium. Okay, so I just put down here the healthy food, just click it here and it will just set video as a background. Okay, check this, and you can increase and decrease the size. So it shows the 9.9 seconds and I just put it in the 5 seconds. Click here and make it the duplicate. I'm going to the text here. First one is fatty fish. I just show you this process, just you can understand everything. Number 1, fatty fish. So I just also change the style. That's it. And I'm going to duplicate it again and drag it here. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. That's fine. Put it here, just drag and drop. This is easy and simple. Okay, just duplicate it again. Copy this and paste it here. Make it a little bit smaller. Okay, and now I'm going to change the video, and also you can add the image from here, to like the fatty fish. Click here, replace the background and make it smaller. 3 seconds. See the text here, the salmon fish. Replace the background, make it a little bit smaller. This is just drag and drop and it's easy. Omega 3. Click here, put it, replace the background. So this is the actual process. Just drag and drop and put you just text here, and now I can play the button. As you can see that the headline, also the image, video, and the headline, the text, and also you can add the music from here. Just click it here and go to the audio and the add video advertising. I just select this, it just added here, and after complete the video you just go to the share option and go to the download and select the MP4 video and hit the download button, and it takes some few minutes to render. After that you can download the video. So this is the actual process, and you just need a script from the customer, and you just need a creativity to add the image according to the words from the script. That's it, simple and nice. And this is the other way the people making money from the Fiverr. So you can also, if you have a time, this guy already the 5 orders in the queue. If you have a time, if you don't have any advanced level skills to make money online, don't worry, you just put your time here and you can make also money every month. If you do the effort, you can make money from the like other $500 every month, $1,000 every month. So this is the simple way. And if you can do the SEO, you can knock the blog owners, the website owners, and if you can just convince the people in a month by just 5 or 10, it's easy, it's simple. So this is the actual way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel, and I will post the every week the 1 or 2 videos regarding this kind of the how to make money, how to build the online business. See you next time. Till then, take care.